So the Insta360 Flow is the only AI-powered mobile phone gimbal that can take 360 photos on the market today. I think this is a really powerful tool, especially because it utilises the Insta360's AI technology, because the stitching is done in the app, so it does it all for you. It's really simple. And then you're using the really good quality mobile phone cameras in any device these days, whether it's Android or iPhone. The cameras are absolutely phenomenal, so you're really utilising that really great image quality. So for estate agents, realtors, property developers, this could be a really interesting product, and for the price of only $159 or $209 for the creator kit, this standing out to be a really good purchase for somebody like that. Now in this video, what I'm going to do is give you a step-by-step guide on how to produce one of those 360 photos, how to export it, and how to upload it to your social media or website. Step number 1, add your Insta360 Flow to a surface using the built-in tripod. Make sure it's level, make sure it's steady, because the gimbal will be moving around while it's taking the photos. Step number 2 is to add the magnetic mounting system to the phone on the reverse side. So not this side, because that's the way you'd usually use the mobile device with the gimbal, but this side on the screen. And make sure it's a little bit lower to counteract gravity, because when it's moving up and down on the gimbal, it has a tendency to move around because of obviously gravity, and the phone's like leaning like this. So make sure it's just a bit lower. It does give you a prompt on the screen inside the app. Step number 3, turn on the gimbal. Make sure you go into the Insta360 app and select Pano Photo from the menu along the bottom. Step number 4, go to the right hand side of the screen on the application and change the shooting mode to sphere. Step number 5, adjust the timer accordingly. I like to have it on 10 seconds, so it gives you enough time to get out of the shot or get out of the room, out of the way while the gimbal is taking the 360 photo. Number 6, press the shutter button on the actual device or on the application and let the flow do its work. Step number 7, you can edit the 360 photo using either the edit tab by adding keyframes, or you can actually let the AI powered app do its work and press the animation button and let Insta360's amazing app conjure something up for you the way it seems fit. There's loads of options to play with on the application. Step number 8, you can either export that photo to your camera roll using the application, or then you can share it directly from the app to your relevant social media site. Now, that's it. It is simple as that. It looks fantastic, and like I said, I really do think it's a powerful tool for not only the casual user but a professional user as well, because the quality you're getting out of these iPhone cameras these days is absolutely phenomenal, and pair it with the Insta360 Flow, it becomes an extremely powerful tool. But that's it for this one. I hope it helped. Make sure you do subscribe, press the bells for more videos. We've got plenty of more videos on the Insta360 Flow coming soon, and other uploads every single week. So that's it for this one. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.